Welcome. In front of me I have the TP-LINK AC1200, and I'll go over unboxing of this smart home mesh Wi-Fi system along with just a quick look at its feature set. So let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna first actually cut my way in. There we go. So, taking a look at the box, we have a couple very important information right here. So we have Wi-Fi dead zone killer is not very important information. It's more of like a info what it's supposedly supposed to do. But we have 1.2 gigabytes dual band Wi-Fi, connects up to 100 devices, easy setup with Deco app, covers up to 2,800 square feet or 260 square meters. That is pretty good. Connects via Amazon Alexa or Google Home, so it gives you a nice little versatility over like smart home appliances and stuff like that. And then if we flip it to the side, we have a little bit more info about some other more important things like wireless 300 megabits on 2.4 gigahertz connection, while it delivers less than a gigabyte on a 5 gigahertz connection. That is pretty measly considering 5 gigahertz connection can deliver much more speed than that. We have IPv6 compatibility, guest network, access point mode, quality of service, that's again more subjective, but whatever. Optional Ethernet backhaul, 2 fast Ethernet ports per Deco unit, as there's 2 of them, and well, product dimensions. So anyway, let me just pop it open. Yeah, man. There we go. Oh, I am holding this upside down. There we go. So inside we got the 2 units, and they are much lighter than I actually expected. They just feel like an empty can. But then it's not like this needs to have much tech inside. So there is one. And here's the other one. I'll set it to the side. So you know what, I'm just gonna grab only one of them, as I'm absolutely certain that there is the same kind of thing in the other box. And we also have this weird flat looking cable for Ethernet. That's pretty neat. So let's see what we get inside of the box here, which I presume is just a charger, and yes it is. And this is the European one with a typical barrel plug. And this is a 7.65 watt adapter. So there we go. Now bringing those into view, they are, by the looks of it, identical. Weight seems to be the same. So there we go. It's the top of it, and also the bottom of it with a charging plug right here. And that's about it. We have also a reset button at the bottom right here. So that's about it. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.